Williams Patent Crusher is a family-owned business, been passed down over generations. The bond tear plant is 90+% fabrication, and the end product leaves the bond tear plant. The part that we're welding with the HyperFill is the internal, we call it a mill bottom. It goes inside of our roller mill. Well, initially John, the sales rep from Lincoln, introduced us to HyperFill and just helped us through the process of learning it, and involved in buying 3 more units because of his help. Anytime we have a problem, he's here to help us out. So
the problem with welding these is that when you weld them with regular wire, you know, the shielded cord wire, sometimes if you're not careful, you can trap slag, which causes you to not pass an x-ray. We were failing them, it was a hit and miss, so that was the main problem. That, and it's a slow process. When we got the HyperFill, one of the main advantages is that the deposition rate was a lot higher. So where I was putting out 8 to 12 pounds of steel in an hour, with HyperFill I'm able to do up to 20 to 24 depending on how fast I want to go. Another time saver was that it doesn't slag like normal cord wire, so that, you know, enables me to be able to run over my own weld without having to stop, clean it off, and you know, the fusion for it's a lot hotter and a lot deeper. So, you know, a lot of it benefited a lot of it because it was deeper penetration. Overall, it's a faster process that has been proven to pass x-rays. And so far, they've all been coming back perfect.
it's just been a good overall, real nice product to have. It's really increased production, so it was a no-brainer to keep trying to buy one every year and probably still buy another one further down the road probably.